Our top story, the central government has shown the door to a second Home Secretary, a Union Home Secretary, in a year. LC Goyal has gone on premature retirement. His extension was supposed to expire in 2016. Rahul Srivastava now joins us for more on that. Rahul, do you have any reasons for this?
Amitabh, what we can say that the entire Delhi bureaucracy is abuzz about the manner in which the second Home Secretary in 1 year has been shown the door. Mr. LC Goyal was brought in. Mr. Anil Goswami, who was the incumbent sometime in May, Mr. Goyal was supposed to retire, and then he was brought in replacement to Mr. Anil Goswami, who was shown the door. Such was the timing at Mr. Goswami's removal that initially he wanted to proceed on leave, but then he was told there is going to be no such thing. He had to take premature retirement. After that, Mr. LC Goyal was brought in, and it is within the period that he was supposed to continue, because Home Secretary's post enjoys a 2-year fixed tenure. That serious rumblings within the Delhi bureaucracy over the reasons why he has been removed in this manner. Mr. Rajiv Maharshi was supposed to retire today. The Finance Secretary was not given any assignment close to his retirement, and one was wondering what will happen to him next, because he's supposed to be one of the loyalists brought in from Rajasthan to the coveted post of Finance Secretary. What we are hearing from our sources in the Home Ministry and the government is that there were serious differences between the government and Mr. Goyal, primarily over the Naga Accord, which was announced by the Prime Minister with great fanfare, with NSA and leaders inside his house. What we are hearing is that after the Naga Accord was announced, the Home Secretary has objections that he was not kept in the loop. During conversations with top government officials, and we are being told even the NSA, it was quoted, when he quoted that he was not kept in the loop, he was told that since there was an interlocutor, Mr. Ravi, who was dealing with the Naga issue, was a part of the Home Ministry, and since he was not in the loop, largely it's his problem. But even after that, there was trouble on the issue, and somewhere the government felt that a lot of news regarding the Chief Ministers not being kept in the loop by the central government over the Naga Accord was originating from the Home Secretary's office. The other, perhaps the last straw, was that there were certain officials which the Home Ministry wanted to retain at the Joint Secretary and other levels, but they refused, largely claiming that they have functional problem with Mr. Goyal's style of functioning. It is perhaps this gamut of things one will have to really get into the picture what exactly transpired. But right now the information is that the government has serious problems with Mr. Goyal, and that is why the second Home Secretary to be shown the door in 1 year. And remember, Amitabh, the third top official to be shown the door. Earlier it was also the Foreign Secretary Sujata Singh, who was removed and the new man brought in.
Rahul Srivastava reporting on the reasons for the second Union Home Secretary being shown the door.